Y'all, welcome back. Jared with Team Montana here in Elkhart, Indiana. Give me a call. Information down below. Nobody beats my deals or my information. So today I am in a 3231 CK, brand new model. And before I open it up, I just want to show you real quick how this bad boy looks all closed up. So when you're traveling, you can get a feel of getting to everything. So here we go. We're going to do witchy. So with the slides in, you can access your refrigerator. Piece of cake. You can even step around the corner here and get to your chair. So one person can sit here and have a snack while on the road. Then stepping up into the hallway, you can easily access to the bedroom with the slides in, and then this awesome bathroom with the side window. So let's get this full review undergo. Here we go. This is a true 4 seasons, full-time warranted for full-time use and abuse. You can live in this thing, and Keystone is going to 100% recommend and cover that type of use and abuse. Before I get to talking and going into detail, I want to show you overall. I'm very impressed with this. I was a little nervous about some of the features and if they were going to be a little bit cheap and not very durable, but I am very impressed. So let's dig into it. I'm going to get started on this section right here. Absolutely love it. First thing I want to point out, you've got 2 exhaust fans up on the top, and you also have your exhaust fan right here. Chef's masterpiece right here. So this is what I was talking about, where I was a little bit nervous because this is really neat. So this piece of cabinetry actually lifts up, and I thought that it might be just a little bit chintzy, but it's not. I love it. So it's got this metal strip all the way across. So this is going to hold up for a lot of opening and closing going down the road. This is a true wood. Nothing is wrapped. This is a real hardwood. Very beautiful looking, just like you would find in your home. That is magnetic. Boom. You've got the cabinets over here, plenty of storage. All soft close with magnet latches. You've got 2 LED lights with a humongous backsplash. Outlets on both sides. Got your triple burner stove top. All auto ignite with the spark. You got your oven underneath here. Boom. Wait till you see this. So you've got all kind of cabinets up and down over here. Some more storage on this side. Plenty of space there. You actually can lift this up and pull this out. And again, it's very durable. So I can try to show you, but there's actually, it's hard to tell, but there's a wheel under here. It's about yay wide, okay, that rolls with that piece. So it's very sturdy, very stout. It's not going to fall apart over time. So good job, Keystone. I absolutely think you guys did a wonderful job here. And then these drawers do open. Again, soft close. There's your lights. Go on your awning rail. And then this just simply slides right back. So very functional kitchen we have here. Pretty neat. Then you've got your 18 cubic foot residential refrigerator with a built-in water filtration system and an ice maker. So this thing always takes forever to unscrew. Here's your water spigot if you want to fill up for a nice glass of water. Then your built-in water filter up on the top. Boom. Down below we've got your ice maker. You got plenty of storage here, and then you've got your ice maker right there. There is a shut-off valve, actually 2, and one of them is going to be right behind this panel in this cabinet, and then the other is in your island. So speaking of this panel in this cabinet, check this out. Humongous. Very nice drawers. They have a nice finish to them. There's nothing raw. They have a very well sanded edge. Almost what you would not find in an RV. And again, soft close on those, and exact same thing over here. I'm very impressed with this. Very, very impressed. Even the base of this is very smooth. Nothing cheap there, folks. And you've got this wide table here for a nice prep area, even some fall, winter decorations. You do have your inverted outlet over here off of your 2000 watt inverter as a standard. Solar prepped up on the roof. It's all for plug and play system. Future Sales has done a great video on that. And just more storage. You talk about storage in your kitchen. This is the one. And this unit is overall 37 feet. Convection microwave. You don't get this in the Montana high country, only in the Montana. And your wine rack. Some love it, some hate it. I think it's pretty neat. Again, only in a Montana, not a high country. Got your solid countertop, nothing new there. Absolutely beautiful. 50-inch television with more storage up above it. Storage behind the television also. And then it does run off of the inverter. So if you're pulled over, you can watch some television without having shore power hooked up. You've got your stereo here. It has 3 zones. You've got your speakers right here. Up in the bedroom and then outside, and you can also use it as surround sound. Pretty sweet. New fireplace. There's 4 different color selections, a sleep timer, all kinds of features on that. I don't want to bore you with the details. Give me a call, we can run through that. This is the bourbon furniture. I was hoping it was going to be cobblestone, but it's not. So in a couple of weeks I will have the new cobblestone interior that I cannot wait to show you. Heat powered, massage, everything you need there. Dimmable lights, so if you want to set the mood, you can do that with those 2 lights above you. On the dinette here, so this expands. It does all kind of fancy things. I've got more videos in my how-to playlist if you want to check those out. So it slides and opens up. You've got another outlet over here, 2 USB ports, 2 power outlets, and a nice light box up above with the lights. Push button lights there. Every single window has 2 shades. So you got your blackout shade, and then you have your daytime roller shade. So that's pretty handy to have. And you've got the pendant lights with the LED accents. Nice ceiling fan, 12 volts, so you can run that off of your battery. Whisper quiet air conditioner. Nothing new there. Central vacuum system stepping up into the bedroom, and it actually has a toe kick, so you can kick that up, or you can hook the hose that is stored underneath the bed. Wait till you see this bathroom. I love that they put that window there. This is very similar to the 3781 bathroom. Or a Montana high country. 331 RL has been a really popular one for a couple of years, so this is kind of a spitting image of that one. So if you notice, this cabinet is actually protruding a little bit more than this medicine cabinet here, and the reason that they're doing that is so that you can actually, I don't know if I can show you here, but the way the edge of this medicine cabinet straight down, you have plenty of room to spit out some mouthwash or toothpaste and not have to wedge your head up underneath here and be all uncomfortable. Max air fan in the restroom, so you've got 3 overall. So that's a nice big fan, plenty of air movement. Magnetic latch on the door. Big side window here in the hallway, let in all that natural light. Da, 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 da. King size bed with the padded headboards. 3 windows. You got, again, daytime, nighttime roller shades on those. You've got your controls for your second, whisper quiet air conditioner, and your light switch to come into the coach. There are outlets on both sides of this bed, as well as USB ports. So a ton of electricity there. Underneath, you've got your central vacuum hose with the kit and some storage space. And I just kind of caught my eye. I like how they finished this. It doesn't have the raw appearance to it, as most do. Even this plywood down here is nice and smooth. So, and before I move on, this does have a memory foam mattress. So It's still an RV mattress, but they are getting a lot better. New folding chair I noticed, so I wanted to go ahead and open that up for you to see. Very heavy duty, you know, again, not cutting any corners, using cheap wood or cheap fabric. It has this nice little padded design up here on the top, and as you can see, look at that hardware. That is stout. This is gonna last you some time. You're gonna get your money's back in reselling this Montana, I'll tell you. Washer dryer prep, you can put a stackable kit in here so you can use every bit of that space. In the wardrobe, you've got the hanging rod for your hanging clothes. Down below, you've got some organized shelving, and then you've got your hamper. So there we have the bedroom. Barn style sliding door with magnets again all over the place. You've got the 32-inch TV built in on the inverter. Then you've got your nice wardrobe on the side here. Emergency exit. Sorry, it's a little dirty. So that is the inside. Absolutely love it. Can't wait to have the first customer purchase this one. It is available as of today, 10/22/23. Now let's check out the outside. You've got your screen defender here, so this is metal. You dog lovers, that's gonna protect your screen. Absolutely beautiful. So on the outside, we have a propane line run from your tanks to the side. So if you have the optional Blackstone grill, you can put a nice little side table out here. Got your enormous pass-through storage with television prep that is right here. So your cable hookup and then your power. Back behind this wall is the wiring for your solar system. You've got your central vacuum out here as well. Sorry, my camera's not even looking up there. And you can open it and change out your bag. Here's your heat duct. So this is what I always rant and rave about that makes it 4 seasons. It's 14 inches wide, 3 inches tall, and it is central. So it's gonna have the best airflow throughout the coach. And then it has the water lines running right beside that. All right, you got the zero gravity weightless steps. Second awning out on the side. Frameless windows. These are not dual pane, just a standard to have frameless windows. Saloon G-Range rated tires with the Road Armor suspension system by Lippert Components. 6-point automatic hydraulic leveling with the spare tire. This one is not a Legacy, so it doesn't have the fancy rear cap, but it is rated to tow 3,000 pounds. You've got the camera up on the top, camera prep on the top, LED lights, 12-gallon hot water heater, 35,000 BTU furnace, and your pass-through. Everything is in one spot, black and gray tank, low point drains, makes winterizing a breeze that you can see up here. Satellite prep to the roof now, which they just started doing. Battery disconnect to the entire trailer. Over here we have our 2,000 watt inverter with an additional outlet down here, so you have some options. 2 propane tanks, 30 pounders. This trailer weighs 12,740 pounds. That's impressive. Automatic leveling system, the marriage saver, and your slide shutoffs. Furion side camera prep, so you can do the blind spot monitoring. So this is your hydraulic holding tank. The pump is located right up above that. All kinds of other engineered stuff that hopefully you never have to mess with. It is prepped for 2 batteries. We do give you the 2 batteries. That's a part of our prep. So this battery shut off here, that is for your solar system. That runs directly to your inverter. So that's the only thing that is running to. Your other battery disconnect is in the wet bay that we just talked about. This does not have a generator, nor is it prepped, but this is the space. You can get that from the factory. A ton of storage if you do not need a generator and you just take advantage of the solar opportunity. So just like your suspension system, you have the suspension rubber piece in here. So as this plate pivots on this bolt, it's going to absorb all that shock and movement in the truck. Sorry, it's getting windy. It's about to storm here. So beautiful. Beautiful, folks. Thank you all for watching. Give me a call. Let's talk Montanas. I love to talk. Have a great day.